The chance for a final frost has passed here in Michigan, and it's time to get those plants in the ground. The garden beds are all ready, now it's time for that hard work to begin, but you don't need to break your back. It's time to get rid of that old, worn-out kneeling pad and get rid of that old tool pouch. I'll show you something better, and that's coming up right here on Live to Fish. Hey everybody, welcome back to Live to Fish, and like many of you, when I'm not out there fishing, I'm out there working on the yard. Who am I kidding? I'm always out fishing, and actually the wife always works on the yard. So a big shout out to Deerfamy for sending me out this garden stool. It's gonna make my wife even happier than if I was out there helping her. Happy wife, happy life, am I right guys? And a very special thank you and shout out to my wife for helping me out with this video. And although she refused a speaking part, bless her heart, she took time out of her busy day to help me with the unboxing and reveal. So without further ado, the Deerfamy Garden Stool. Now at the end of the video, if this is something you're interested in, I'm going to have an exclusive code to Live to Fish to save you an extra 10% off your purchase. But if you happen to miss it, I'm going to have it in the video description below, along with a link to the product. First out of the package is the kneeling and sitting pad, followed by the handy accessory pouches that sit on either side of the bench. Also included are durable gardening gloves. And here are the easy to read instructions that show you exactly how to break down the bench and put it together. The Deerfamy Garden Bench is going to run you anywhere between $50 to $60 depending on the colors and configuration. And you may have seen these in local gardening stores for a lot more, but you can save an additional 10% using my exclusive code. And that's going to be down in the video description below. And here it is all put together as a sitting bench. All you have to do is remove the accessory pouches, flip it over, and you have yourself a kneeling bench, and you can put those pouches on either side. And that's all there is to it. Now you're ready for some planting. And again, a big shout out to my wife, and thank you very much for being such a good sport putting this together. And once you're done, it breaks down easily for quick and easy storage. Once again, thank you to Deerfamy for sending out this garden bench. My wife absolutely loves it. Now, if you don't feel like going to the video description to get the 10% off code, I'm going to read it off for you. It's 106XRDQX for 10% off. And looky there, it's even on the screen. So until next time, be safe, be well, and as always, live to fish or plant.